Oh. Hello, Bob. Hello, Bobski. Look at a beautiful cat. Hello, and welcome back to the garden. Today we're going to be making some organic dish soap or laundry detergent using two ingredients: ivy, English ivy, and water. Ivy leaves contain saponin, which is the basis for the soap. This dissolves the grease and the dirt, and also it's what creates the foam when it's agitated with water. For this recipe you're going to need about 80 to 100 leaves for a litre of water. As you can see, we've got loads of ivy on this beautiful old birch tree. We want to go for the bigger leaves.
The older leaves.
The older leaves. I hope you're counting, Tracy.
I know it's not many.
It's not 100 yet, is it? Da, 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 da. And you can't really hurt this ivy. It's,
we need to pull it off later.
it's evergreen, isn't it? And it just keeps coming back, obviously. It's never...
Yeah, so you don't need to make too much of this mixture. It does only last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And so just make it as you need it. That's the best way. It just lasts 2 weeks, so make enough for what you think you'll use. It's evergreen like the English ivy, so you're going to have it all year round. It's not like you'll only have it for the summer months.
And you're never too far away from ivy, are you?
No.
We've got loads around the house.
No, don't get this English ivy confused with poison ivy. It's only the English ivy you need to use for this recipe.
Yeah. We're getting there. Are you still counting?
No, I'm not.
Right, well we're only doing approximations, aren't we? 80...
We have used this for hand soap as well. It's really good for hand soap.
Yeah, Tracy did it into the hand soap. I didn't realise she'd done it. She'd put it into the dispenser, and I didn't see any difference. I didn't know she'd done it. So it
We
is.
get through a lot of hand soap.
It's good stuff.
With the cats and that, we get through an awful lot of hand soap. So this is a really good option. We're
And
spending a fortune
it's
on
free.
BO soap, aren't we?
It's free.
Almost. You've got to cook it.
Yeah,
boil it for 20
just a bit of energy cooking it.
Yeah.
Right, I think that's probably enough of that. Look, we've got a year's worth just on this tree. It's a lovely old birch. One of my favourite trees in the garden. There we go. That's looking good.
Okay, let's go. Now that we have our leaves, the next job is to wash them and cut them up into smaller pieces to release the saponin. We'll then simmer them for 20 minutes on the stove and then leave them to cool overnight.
These are the English ivy leaves from yesterday that we picked, and we simmered them for 20 minutes with a lid on. And then we let them cool overnight. I think that helps the saponin to really get into the water, into the liquid. So now we are going to strain it. You can use a strainer or you can use muslin.
Muslin, paratites, anything like that.
Paratites, but ask the owner's permission before using them. Right, here we go. Look at that, looks like...
It's like old seaweed.
It looks like Tracy's ghastly old green soup, doesn't it?
That's next week's recipe, do you mind? You've got to give them a squidge out.
Right, squidge them. Give them a good squidge.
You can already see a bit of foam on there, actually.
Yeah.
Well, a few bubbles, let's say. You've got a bit more in there, Brian.
Now, if anybody is allergic, if you find you're allergic, obviously don't.
Yeah, if you have an allergic reaction, if you get any itchiness or any side effects at all, then obviously, same as with soap powder, dishwasher tablets, anything like that, just desist. Don't use it anymore.
Anyone can be allergic to soap, can't they? No.
Yeah, well, I don't get on too well with dishwasher tablets either.
No. But there's no nasty chemicals in here. That's one good thing, isn't it? Very
Yeah, there's no
organic.
man-made additives or anything. It's just 2 natural ingredients.
Well, that's well squidged,
Okay.
I reckon.
Okay.
So now we shall pour it into that bottle over there. Let's put that there.
And just to reiterate, it does only keep for 2 weeks, so just make enough, whatever you need.
Okay,
I think about a litre is quite a good amount, actually. Or you could try half a litre first to see how you go.
I won't pour it all in here because we're going to put some in that little dispenser.
Yeah.
But we might have to find a funnel for that. So you can see it foaming, look.
Yeah, cool.
I'll put that amount in. I'll stop there. Put the lid on.
We have, of course, mislaid our funnel.
Properly
No
put the lid on.
surprise there. We also mislaid the cable to the to the microphones as well today.
Yeah, we're good, aren't we, already?
Yeah,
Very
really
good.
professional.
Looky there, look. It does look a bit like something you want to take to the hospital for a test, doesn't it?
It does not. It looks like cloudy apple juice.
Oh God, the lid nearly came off then. There we go. Look at
Wow,
that.
look at that. Well, hey.
Proper soap.
We haven't tried this on clothes yet, which is my next
Yeah.
thing. We've used it on dishes and we've used it as hand soap, which is great because, as I said earlier, we get through so much hand soap. But
It works really
yeah,
well.
I'm really looking
As I say,
forward
I didn't
to-
know Tracy had changed the soap in our dispenser,
Yeah, it's cool.
and it was just as good. And there we are, free. Free.
Yeah, it's good.
So there we
At
are.
least you know what's in it. That's the point, isn't it? You know
Yeah.
what's in this one.
So there we are. Hope you enjoyed
It's
our
quite
little
a good
video.
fun thing to do with the kids, actually, as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, it's an easy little, you've got like half an hour or something to amuse them. This would be a really good thing.
But
Teach
some of these
them about
detergents
nature.
you see in the supermarkets are so expensive as well, aren't they?
Well, also you look at the list
And
of
the,
ingredients, what's in them. That's the scary bit.
Yeah, so there we go.
Okay, for the amounts for the washing machine, you'll need half a cup of the liquid, and if it's for washing dishes, I would say about a dessert spoon or a squirt, whatever you usually do. You can add more if you need it, depending. Obviously, it depends how dirty your wash is, and it depends how the dishes are. And as for hands, well, you just use it as you would any liquid soap. We're just putting ours into this. We're reusing this plastic container, which we've reused a few times actually.
There we go.
There you
All
go.
right. Yeah.
I could get you a job on one of those channels on the telly. Now you're going to have to wash it off.
Yes. Anyway, that's it. There we go.
I forgot to say, for the clothes only,
Yes.
if you wanted to, well, you could for the hand soap, but definitely not for the dish soap. If you wanted to, you could add some essential oils. Lavender's a good one because it's antibacterial as well. Just a few drops, that's all you need. Or anything like that. Lavender's probably best, actually. Tea tree is a bit strong.
Well, there we are.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed our little video. Please like and subscribe if you did. And we'll see you again very soon. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Today we're going to...